Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Logo Design. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to design a modern, logo design. So make sure to watch to the end of the video, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and ask me anything in the comment section. So let's get started. Select the star tool. Click, and take radius 1, 25 pixel. And radius 2, 50 pixel, and 3 points. Click OK. Hold Shift and rotate. Change the fill color to the stroke color from here. And take the stroke thickness around 100 point. OK. Now select this. Hold Alt and flatten lightly. Perfect. Now select this and go to the Direct Selection tool. And make some rounded. Perfect. After that, press Ctrl+R to active roller. And take a roller guide, like this. OK. Now select this. And go to the object. Expand. And click OK. After that, rotate it. Rotate straight with this ruler guide. After that, select this, right-click on the mouse, and go to the Transform, Reflect, and Copy. Hold Shift and place it like this. After that, select all. And go to the Shape Builder tool. Click and drag to join these parts. And join these parts. After that, select this with the eyedropper tool and pick this color. Select this. And pick this color. Select this and go to the gradient tool and adjust the colorway you want. Do this in the same way. Select this guide and press Delete. OK, our logo design is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.